Alright, here we go again, trying to solve some linear equations. We have this problem that says 3 times x minus 5 over 2 equals 2 times x plus 5 all over 3. Now we have actually two distributions here that have to be done. So we have to do those first. 3 times x will give you 3x. 3 times negative 5 would be negative 15 all over 2. On the right-hand side, 2 times x would give you 2x, and 2 times 5 would give us 10, all over 3. So we've taken care of our distribution. It has to be done first. Now we do have fractions, and if you don't want to use them, which I wouldn't, this is a little bit more difficult whenever you have two terms on top of a fraction. Let's get rid of them, and we get rid of them by doing the exact same thing we've been doing. We multiply through by the common denominator. In this case, the common denominator would be 6. So if we multiply both sides by 6, let's look at the left-hand side first. 2 goes into 6 3 times. So what we have is 3 times 3x minus 15. On the right-hand side, 3 will go into 6 2 times. So we now have 2 times the 2x plus 10. You really need to write out each step of the way, because there are times that you're going to be doing distribution several times within a problem. And this is one of those, because now we have to do distribution again. So I'm going to distribute both sides now. And we're going to end up with 3 times 3x is 9x. 3 times negative 15 would be negative 45. 2 times 2x would be 4x. And 2 times 10 would be a 20. But this now looks a lot more manageable. So let's get our x's together first, subtracting 4x from both sides. Now we have 5x minus 45 equals 20. Let's get our numbers together by adding 45 to both sides. So we now have 5x equals 20 plus 45 would be 65. And then dividing both sides by 5, x equals 13. Last example in this section is again fractions, because nobody ever likes them, so we're going to do plenty of them. Because this is fractions, I'm going to rewrite this, separating out each term so that you can see how we're going to get rid of those fractions. You should be getting pretty good at this by now. So we're going to be multiplying every single term by the common denominator, which in this case is 2. Now 2 times 9 halves, the 2's will cancel, and we have 9 left. Then in the second term, 2 times 5 halves y, the 2's will cancel, and we're left with plus 5y equals 2 times 2y would be 4y, and then minus 2 times 4 is a negative 8. Now let's combine like terms, getting our y's together. Let's subtract 4y from both sides. So that leaves us with 9 plus y equals negative 8. And we still have to get those numbers together, so we're still combining like terms. So let's subtract 9 from both sides to get it away from the y. And we have y equals negative 17.